Hi guys, today I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial you are going to learn how you can change the background, how you can enhance your background, or how you can add or remove anything in your background, whichever you want. So let's get started. First of all, go to your video and screenshot the area you want to edit and then upload it to any image generation AI like Gemini. You can find link to all the AI and prompts in the description. Also links to my channel, you can find it in description. After uploading the pic in Gemini, you can write the prompt and explain it whatever you want in the background. And if you want me to make a video on how I generate prompts, and if you want to learn, then comment next. If I get 50 comments in this video, I'll surely make a video on how to generate prompts. Now you have edited the picture with Gemini. Just go to any video editing software tool, use mask feature to add this picture in your background so that it looks real, original, not edited. And yes guys, you surely need some basic editing skills to use this mask feature, but trust me, this is not something very big. You can learn it very easily. Now you have created this, and similarly you can do this for any area you want to edit. If you like this tutorial, then do subscribe me, like this video, and comment next if you want me to make a video on how I generate prompts. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.